Hello all, welcome to Pamita AI World. My name is Pamita Singh Kandari and I am here to teach you about the machine learning. Fine. So friends, I already taught you about the supervised learning algorithm, unsupervised algorithm and reinforcement learning algorithm. And if you haven't go through those videos of mine, those videos will appear now side by side on the iCard, so that you can go through those video before jumping into this video. So in supervised learning algorithm, some part I have left which is necessary to teach you what in supervised learning algorithm. If you are going through my videos simultaneously, you would have learned about the regression and classification I taught you in supervised learning algorithm. So in supervised learning algorithm, along with the regression and classification algorithm, there is one term also come in machine learning which is very important for all the data scientists and artificial engineers, and that term is optimization. Fine. So optimization is what? Optimization is all about optimization is the process of searching for the combination of parameters that will result in the best outcomes. Fine. So optimization is very important in machine learning, and especially in supervised learning algorithm, optimization is very important. Fine. So first we will see what is the definition of optimization here. Fine. And this will come under supervised learning algorithm. Fine. This is supervised learning algorithm, and that comes under this comes optimization. Under this comes optimization. So what is optimization? So first we will learn its definition. I will use pink pen here. Optimization is the action of making the best or most effective use of a situation or resource. Fine. Let's suppose, what does that mean? The action of making the best or most effective use of a situation or resource. What does that all mean? Fine. Look, suppose your father, you are an student. Fine. And during your summer time, you got all the school and colleges get leave. Fine. And during that leave, you thought to use your time and resources in a positive way. Fine. So you wanted to have some skill, learn some skill, or one of your friend tried to use his time or resources in playing games. Fine. Or in playing some other things which are not necessary. Games nowadays are very good. I won't say that games are not good for it's not a good resource, or quality time spending on these things is also good nowadays, but I am telling you in a example of optimization. So your father given to you about 10,000 rupees or $10,000, and with that $10,000 or 10,000 rupees, you thought to start a business. Fine. So you have $10,000 or rupees resources. Fine. This is the resources of $10,000 or rupees. So what you will do with that $10,000? You will take some best actions so that you can use of those $10,000, so that this $10,000 would give you the end result, or that $10,000 would give you would give you additional $20,000 or rupees. You would try to invest that $10,000 or 10,000 rupees in particular in a way that $10,000 in during 2 or 3 months of your summer internship would provide you $20,000 in your hand, means $10,000 profit you get. So you will try to invest your money in that way. So that is called optimization, the action of making the best means the best or most effective use of a situation or resource. So for example, now we will take its examples. Suppose if you have started a production unit with that $10,000, 10,000 rupees, what you will do? You will try to do optimal staffing. Optimal staffing needs for a production line. What does that mean, optimal staffing? With that limited resources with you, you will try to get minimum staffing which is necessary for your production unit. Fine. For example, you are opening you are trying to open a candle factory. So that with that help of candle factory, what you will do? You will take 2 or 3 women, so that one women get wax in some molds. Fine. He will one molds, if the one woman can do all the things, you will try to do to get the only one employee in your production line. But with the help of, after pouring the that wax into mold, packing is also there, so you will get the another woman. Fine. To pack that candle. Fine. After candle, these 2 women would be only necessary, but you can't get the 10 women in small production line. So that is that would be heavy on your back pocket. So you will try to do optimal staffing needs for a production line. That example I have given you so that you can understand what is optimization. That is why we say that optimization is very important while we perform the machine learning under supervised learning algorithm. Fine. Optimal staffing. Another example is, you will see optimal pricing and royalty rates. Now what you will see? Configuration of machine for production scheduling. Fine. That is all. There are many examples. I have given you simple examples. So I hope you understand what optimization is. Now many companies are very interested in the optimization of business. Fine. That is why many companies are very interested in the optimization of business, because they wanted to use their resources in a best or most possible effective way. Fine. So what optimization techniques would come under supervised learning algorithm, I will tell you in this video. Fine. So optimization under supervised learning algorithms. So all these terms that I'll teach you would come during the application part of algorithm, when we will do our model on laptop or on real time basis. So one is gradient descent. Second is batch and mini batch. Third is stochastic. Fine. Fourth is first, second, third, fourth. Confusion matrix. Confusion matrix. These all are optimization techniques used under supervised learning algorithm. Fourth, 5 is bias variance trade-off. Bias variance trade-off. Sixth is multiple linear regression. Multiple linear regression. Seventh is polynomial regression. Polynomial regression. And eighth is overfitting and underfitting. Fine. And ninth is random forest regression. All these things, random forest regression and polynomial regression and this thing multiple regression, that I have told you in previous videos of supervised learning algorithm, which you are seeing that video in the iCard section in your above. You can click that video and go through this video. I have already taught you about the multiple polynomial random forest regression. Fine. And another one is also there, which is decision tree regression. Decision tree regression. 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. Decision tree regression. Decision tree regression. And 11th is support vector regression. Support vector regression. That's all. And this is all I have taught you about supervised learning algorithm and optimization. So in this video, that is the only thing. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. And thanks a lot. Keep learning. Happy learning.